mid-back, between the scapula, my clavicles, and then a lot of tension, headaches at the base of my skull.
Okay. Okay. Good. Lean forward. Which are your usual spots?
Yeah, right.
Right. There, and then are we still tight?
Yeah.
Kind of up front?
Yeah, super tight.
Oh, yeah. Right up top here. There we go. Start right up here. I think a big part of it is you just kind of go, 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 right? You're in school.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Work,
working.
school, barely have any free time.
But your body's kind of put into all these,
Yeah.
you know, we'll call it poor postures.
Absolutely.
Or poor positions. Where it's hard for you to kind of move around as much as you can.
Well, I'm constantly bent over, helping patients, getting them up and out of wheelchairs, and just, I'm constantly never straight up and down.
And that's one of the hardest things to do is to move people.
Yeah.
In my experience, the patients I see that their backs are just like, oh my gosh, you know, in terrible shape. One is concrete workers. Because
They're constantly looking down.
yeah, and using jackhammers.
Yeah.
Different things. And the other is like in the medical profession, moving people. Lifting people.
Yeah. We're constantly on our feet, so all the pressure's on our back.
Mm-hmm. The headache spots, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. How you doing there? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then I'll have you sit straight up. Pack trigger points there. Boom. These ones don't feel the best, do they?
Feels good, actually.
Like I hurt so good.
Yeah.
All right. Bring your leg up this way. Scoot a little bit closer to the edge for me. And then arms like this. You'll never remember how to get in this spot. And then take a deep breath in. And out. Right. There we go. Awesome. Other side, please. And out. Right. There we go. Very nice. Okay. Let's go face down. We're going to do the mid-back. So take a deep breath in for me. And out. Very nice. There we go. Nice. Okay. And then we'll go on your back. We'll do the neck. That left side first. That is tighter today than last time. Bring this headpiece down a little bit. Well, you have holiday stress or something?
Work, holiday, personal.
Holiday, yeah. Let's go head back. Good. There we go. Hanging in there?
Mm-hmm.
And then one more. Right there. A little bit. Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay. Not a problem.
Yeah, I can already tell immediately a lot of pressure off the base of my skull.
Okay. Good.
So.
Mid-back feel looser?
Yeah, clavicles aren't so bad either.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, keep doing, I'm telling you to do that doorway stretch for the chest.
Yeah.
Right? For those tight spots. We'll keep doing those. And
Okay.
get rid of some holiday stress.
Sounds like a plan.